If you've ever felt that itch to explore, to wander, to chase something wild, you're in the right place. This channel is for anyone who believes adventure doesn't always need a passport. For the solo travelers, the weekend campers, and the dreamers who know someday is now. I'm Torey, and last summer changed my life. A quick 48-hour stopover in Iceland taught me something. Wild isn't just a place. It's a feeling. That rush of discovering something new while realizing you've barely scratched the surface of your own backyard. I've lived in Oregon for almost 20 years, and I'm still finding magic in it. That's why I started solo camping, to chase that wild feeling without a plane ticket. Just me, my tent, and miles of trails I've never touched before. This channel, it's your reminder that the wild is everywhere. It's writing your own rules, whether that's camping an hour from home or booking a last-minute flight, trading someday for right now. Come along with me on solo camping trips, hidden Pacific Northwest gems, and the kind of trips that stamp passports and souls. Here's to finding the courage to book that flight or pitch that tent. Proof that wild isn't a place, it's the freedom to choose. Hit subscribe and let's chase your wild together, because the best adventure, it's always the next one.